Hey friends, today we're going to hike the Ramses Cascade, which is the 8-mile hike there and back, far back. So this is gonna be fun. It's an all-day thing and it is currently 9:31 a.m. and I'll let you know what time it is when we finish. So we started this 4-mile hike at 11-ish. Now it's 11:40 and we hit this sign and we know that the last 2.5 miles are supposed to be a lot more strenuous. That's our path that we got. We got a nice little waterfall stopped right there. We're stopping, we're getting some snacks and some water, and my mom's peeing. Woo! That is a huge tree. Oh my god. Nice. Scat! Alright, a little while ago, some people told us we had like 45 minutes. It was 12:40 at that time. It's 1:10, and someone just told us we have 6/10 of a mile left. How excited are we, Mom?
So excited.
So excited. It's been a rough path.
But fun.
But fun.
And beautiful.
Yes.
Look at all the wildflowers.
The camera can't really see them, but
Oh.
that's the rest of our path. Who knows where it leads to? Probably Ramses Cascade. I would hope so. Otherwise, we are in the wrong place. Yeah, okay. We are almost there. We're so close. I can practically taste it. I can hear it, I think, what I think to be it. My mom, I don't know where she's at. This is the path I got. Pretty treacherous, if you ask me. We're so close. It feels like it's been forever since someone said 6/10 of a mile, and it was like, yes! It feels like it's been forever since then, so we have to be so close. I'm just kinda waiting on my mom, but also it's like, I wanna get up there. I survived the first treacherous thing. Now we got this too. We're gonna attempt to video our way up here. Yep, it kind of just seems like we're going straight up now. Straight up this mountain. Every time I come around a corner or finish a rocky ledge, it's like, am I there? No. Whew. But we're getting there, and every step we take, I know I'm getting closer, so that's my motivation to just keep it moving. We have to be so close. Okay. We have books about this. It said, just when you start to wonder how long 2.5 miles could really be, you're all of a sudden at the Cascades. Well, I'm really wondering. So that means I have to be almost there. I don't know where my mom is. I kind of feel like I should wait for her, but we're also so close that like she can just find me at the top. Look at that. That's flipping amazing. Might as well take this home and make this my new boa constrictor cave. Are you kidding me right now? Oh, people. There they are!
No freaking way!
I figured I'd come up on ya.
Get out of town!
I know, I'm vlogging.
What up? What up?
How close are we?
They're about a little ways out still. A lot of climbing, yeah. But it's worth it in the end.
You guys, we freaking made it. Holy balls. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Holy crap. I gotta wait for my mom, but holy crap. Mom, we made it. That's it. It's freaking huge. Absolutely insane. I don't know if you can hear me, but we made it, and it's great. And it is a little chilly up here. And we're eating.
It was an awesome hike and even a more awesome view when we get to the top. Amazing.
Awesome. 10 out of 10 would recommend. All right, you guys, we are on our way down the mountain. This is probably going to be the end of the video. I wanted to thank you guys for watching, and give this video a thumbs up and all that jazzy jazz that you hear at the end of a YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Share it with your mom and your cousins, and basically anyone who likes hiking. Be like, yo, let's go do this. Let's go to the Smoky Mountains and hike this mountain to see the Ramsey Cascades, because it's 10 out of 10 worth it. So yeah, share this video with anyone that you think might even remotely be adventurous, because it's definitely a must-see before you die. If you don't die on the trail. Just kidding. Ooh, mom. Ooh, my mom almost died. Just kidding, she just slipped. Yep, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Go watch my other videos if you like animals, because my other ones have my pets in them. So that's cool, yep. See you later, bye.